In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up audio and video settings in Webex by Cisco. Webex is a powerful communication tool used widely for virtual meetings, webinars, and collaboration, and setting up your audio and video correctly is crucial for ensuring clear communication. Let's start by launching the Webex application on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice the home interface that usually displays your upcoming meetings and personal room details. Before you kick off your audio and video setup, ensure Webex is updated to the latest version for optimal functionality and access to the newest features. Now, head over to the settings. You'll find the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Sometimes it's located in the lower left side depending on your version. Click on it to start configuring your preferences. The first tab you'll see is the Audio section. Here, you'll want to make sure that your microphone and speakers are correctly selected. If you're using external devices like a USB microphone or a headset, make sure they're plugged in before opening Webex, as this will make them automatically appear in the device list. Select the microphone you prefer to use from the drop-down menu. It's helpful to use the Test button to ensure your chosen microphone is capturing your voice clearly. Speak a few words, and you should see the input level moving. If it's too low or not moving, double-check your connections and consider increasing your microphone sensitivity in the system configuration of your computer. Next, verify your speaker settings. Click on the Test button next to the speaker option as well. You should hear the testing sound clearly. Adjust the volume accordingly, and make sure you can hear it distinctly. Moving on to the video settings. Here, you'll select your preferred camera from a similar drop-down list. Just like the audio settings, if you're using an external webcam, ensure it's connected before launching Webex. Once selected, you should see a preview of your camera feed right on the Webex interface. Position your camera at eye level to give a professional appearance during your meetings, and check that your lighting is adequate, avoiding backlight which can cause you to appear as a silhouette. While in the video settings, you can also experiment with virtual backgrounds if your version supports it. They can be a fun way to personalize your video space or maintain privacy when you're in a shared environment. Finally, save all changes, and it's highly recommended to conduct a test call. Most Webex interfaces provide an option to do this directly from the settings, allowing you to experience what others will see and hear in the actual meeting. Ensure everything is working smoothly, and you're ready to host or join any Webex meeting with confidence. That's it for today's walkthrough on setting up your audio and video in Webex by Cisco. Don't forget to check back for updates or more detailed setup instructions as Webex continues to evolve and improve its interface and capabilities.